Hey friends, if you can't adjust brightness in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So you can easily adjust it using the slider here. If that doesn't work, then search for a feature called adaptive brightness. Wait. Okay. Click on this option here and make sure that adaptive brightness, if you have that option, is not selected. And even if it is, just go to the system tab, scroll down to power and battery and click on it and wait till it loads. It needs a while to load. I'll tell you what settings to do. Meanwhile, I'll show you the process for clean boot on your system because a third party software can also be causing this problem. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and then go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Select disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Okay, now in the power and battery tab, change the power mode to best performance. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.